one more thing which you should know in mind management is what is called decision making. I will just point out to a few things and you will know what it is. See, when you are trying to look at that little boy in the slide. If you place these two things before the little boy, within a few seconds he will decide he wants the cake, not the apple. Now, he has a choice. What makes him decide the cake? Tell me. Taste. So, it is an object of pleasure for the young boy. If the cake is an object of pleasure, he is choosing it. When you grow up, this you are doing as young boys, when you grow up and you are say 25, what will you choose between the two for breakfast? Still the cake? You will choose an apple. As you grow older, you will prefer only the apple. Now, what we are trying to tell you here is decision making entirely rests on a kind of basic inner discrimination, which means discretion between what is merely pleasant and what is really good. In any decision that you take, this point will come up. Yours is a great culture which told you these two are different things. What is merely pleasurable is not always what is good for you. Pleasure is some short term satisfaction. Good is long term fulfillment. The two are different. So, whenever there is a choice in front of you, always think the long term fulfilling choice is what is called shreyas, what is preferable, what is good for you in the long run, and what the short term attraction is, what is pleasurable. It is called preyas. It will ensnare your senses, but it will not give you any level of fulfillment. It is very temporary, and these two are different. Basically, you must be able to make this difference in your life before you make a decision. Understand that these two are coming before me in this form, this particular form. Here I have given a very simple form. In very big decisions you will have to take in life. So, see if it is Shreyaskar or Preyaskar. First thing, survey all the options, see which is Shreyaskar. Choose that which brings Shreyas, which brings long term satisfaction and fulfillment. And then you must cut out the other options. You must remove the cake from the table. Otherwise, your mind will swing back. This is the nature of the mind. So, for decision to work, now you have only one choice, which you have made based on very solid grounds. Then that choice will dominate your life and your decision is complete. See, simple points these are, but they make a huge difference to you. We had a whole session of this sometime back here only in the seminar hall in IIT. And this everyone asks for the simple fact that at the point when so many options are available, I don't know what decision to make. But this deep inner, see, yoga again gives you the capacity to do this. Because mind is stable, I have very sharp discrimination. I can find out what is the right thing to do and what is merely pleasurable to do quickly if the mind is very stable. Then I will make the right choices. Whether you choose what career options you are going to choose tomorrow, which company you are going to choose, how you are going to build your life in that particular company, even your family, whatever you get into, decision making is vital to your happiness in life, isn't it? You will have to make very big decisions on the individual front and collectively for your society, for your nation. Maybe you will be working in Google tomorrow. You will have to make major decisions there. Unless you have this strong sense, will this bring good to a whole lot of people, or is it just merely something pleasurable? So, this distinction must come strongly into you. Any decision will work due to this. You will make the right decisions. Otherwise, you know what you will fall in for? Popular opinion, majority opinion, peer pressure. If you don't have this sense, you will fall for all that. So, again this depends on how you have trained your mind. Hai na? Are you seeing the truth of all this? Just now you can see it. So, at least ingest some of these ideas for now,